Welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and I am bringing you it's all about that pink and green collaboration. It is a tablescape that is hosted by 4 fabulous ladies here on YouTube. The host is Vondessa from Viology. Her co-hosts are Juani from Juani's House, Travina from Royalty Designs, and Kimberly Davis from Diva Designing on a Dime. And what the ladies have asked us to do is to put together a pink and green tablescape. And that's why it's all about that pink and green. So you guys know my traditional colors I decorate with are black and white. I don't have a lot of pink and green. However, I put together a floral spring centerpiece earlier this year, and I used it on my buffet in the living room. So I had taken that down because I'm starting to decorate for Halloween. If you guys don't know, I am an avid Halloween fan. Nothing spooky or gorish, anything like that, but I do love to decorate for Halloween, and I am going whimsical this year, and my theme is medieval times. So I think you guys will really enjoy it. So if you are not already subscribed, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family, and smash that notification bell so you do not miss that upload. As I said, if you're new here, my name is Sheryl. I love all things home decor. I love decorating my home with style on a budget while making it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if that is something you are interested in as well, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and become a member of our family. So as I said, I am repurposing these flowers. They came mostly from Walmart. These green hydrangeas that I absolutely love. They have a little bit of pink in them. I picked those up from Walmart and they were $5, I believe. These, I want to say they're wisteria plants, but I know that's not the name of them, but I do like I think it's maybe Japanese blossoms. I don't know. I just love how they look. And as you can see, the leaves have a little pink in them, a little pink and green to go along with the theme. The roses came from, I want to say Michael's or Joann's, I don't remember. I got those last year sometime. And then of course, you guys know I love my white roses, so they are part of the bouquet. So the tablescape is a little whimsical in the fact that when I put it together, I had in mind like a fall wedding or late spring, early fall wedding. And so this is how I decided to put the tablescape together. And the setting is for the bride and groom. And it's a little whimsical in the fact that I am using a garland as my placemat. And you have seen this garland in previous tablescapes, and I wanted to do something a little different. And you guys know I say always think outside the box, and that is what I have done here. So I am using the garland as a placemat. It is pink and green. Goes well with the theme, and I like it. Like I said, it's very whimsical. I am using a charger plate. It's made out of wood that I got from Pier 1 a couple of years ago. You guys saw the beaded white charger that I picked up from Amazon. Of course, you know, the Dollar Tree white plate. And I decided to pair it with a black napkin and my black and gold silverware, since it is a tablescape for the bride and groom. I wanted to go a little glam with it while also staying whimsical. And over here is just a mirror image, and we have our wine glasses that I thrifted from the Goodwill, again 59 cents. So a very inexpensive yet elegant table setting. So again, I like to think outside the box when I put things together, and I think this one came out really well. If you agree, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about my whimsical wedding tablescape. Absolutely love it, and I hope you do as well. And I hope you decide to stick around if you are not already a family member and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. So I would like to thank the host, Theology, and her co-host, Juani, Travina, and Kimberly for hosting this collaboration. Again, it had me thinking outside the box because I don't have a lot of pink and green, but I think I came up with something that you ladies would truly enjoy, and I hope it pleases you. So I will leave a link for the ladies' channels down below, as well as a link of the playlist. And yeah, I really like it. So that is all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day. And remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.